We have a fantastic 1963 Corvette split window from my father's 1963 through 67 Corvette collection. Now, don't tell the other Corvette buyers, this one is his favorite. The colors, it is number match engine, 327. It's a 4-speed. It has some nice upgrades, which we'll talk more about in a minute, but it has a modern air conditioning, has power steering, power brakes, glove soft leather. This is the one he loves to go out and drive. I went out to breakfast with him a couple of weeks ago. Go to volocars.com. That's also where you can find all the information, actually on about 200 classic cars. And that's where you'll find a price tag on every one of them, including the monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. At least I'm not riding in the back like I used to when I was 3 or 4 years old. So we're going to talk about the body first. This is the split window, has the split in the window. They eliminated that because when you're looking behind you, it's really, you can't see past it. Gets in the way. This one's in excellent shape. All this is smooth and straight and fits nice and looking really good. Has this nice body line going all the way down the middle. Got these fake little vents on the 63, no damage. Now the door has to fit all the way around. It goes up into the roof. So let's see how it does. It opens so easily, shuts like a new car. All of this continues to be straight, no damage. All lines up square and flush. Headlights fit real nice. They open and close beautifully. All looking really good. Excellent body. Really nice. Let's see how this door opens. I can tell you it fits beautifully. See how she does. Oh, it opens so easily. Again, that means it's going to close easily. Nice. I love that. All of this is in fantastic shape, folks. There's a little smudge I'll wipe off for us. Another one. And now it is painted a bright red, a little bit brighter than what the factory red would have been. They didn't offer a red car with a tan interior. You couldn't get it. So this is a factory tan interior car. It used to be that fawn beige. They've painted it this bright red. That's what my dad loves about it. Ferrari colors, the red with the tan is beautiful. Now the paint job itself is smooth, glossy, bright. I'm sure you'll find a little flaw here or there, like a little chip touched up, something like that, but it is a gorgeous paint job. Smooth, polished out real nice. Now this has an early mirror on it. It's a short stem, has the bow tie, door handles, shiny. This is all shiny. All the trim, all the stainless looks like it's buffed. Windshield is crystal clear like it's new. Cross flag emblems look new. 63 was the only year for these fake grills right here, and these look like they're new. Same thing with the emblem and the bumpers. Everything is sparkling. Same thing on this side. All of it is sparkling. The split window glass is about the nicest I've seen. There's one spot where they might have hit it with the DA when they were doing body work. There's one spot with some light scratches. Other than that, they're very clear. Here's another little spot. Windows are better than most I've seen. It does have knockoff wheels on it with some Uniroyal Goodyear tires. So you have a classic split window coupe. Paint's slightly brighter than typical, which makes it really pop. Tail lights are shiny, beautiful. Let's get inside. I can't wait to show you the interior I'm talking about. My dad was dealing in these cars when they were just used cars in the early 70s. I would have been 3 or 4 years old. I rode in the back, no car seat, no seat belt, not even a seat. Now make sure you go on our YouTube channel, look for Michael's test drives. That's where he drives the car, demonstrates how it functions. And also on our website, if you click on the car, if the test drive video is done, it'll be there as well. So the jams, the whole car was taken apart, stripped and painted. The jams are really slick. The weather strips are replaced. Door panels are all new, including the armrest. Looks like all the chrome handles and hardware is all sparkling, all real nice. Oh, these seats feel good. The dash area is beautiful. 63 has that cone in the middle. and I guess the sun would hit it, so later on, I think the next year they were black. 5,800 miles on the restoration. It looks like it's brand new. All the gauges are working. Has course movement in the clock. The dash pads look like they're new, and all this trim, everything's beautiful. It's not dingy, it's not tacky. 63, I think, only has like this clear plastic glove box. I don't know if you can tell, but I can't feel the emblem. It's underneath the laminate there. Glove box liner is a little smaller because it has an aftermarket air system. This is our inspection sheet right here that'll go with the car. So aftermarket air, the vents are neatly installed here. All the carpet fits beautifully. It's all fresh. Has an aftermarket stereo right in the factory location. That's another one of the upgrades. Console's real nice. Has the correct reverse lockout shifter. Seat belts. Now look at the leather. Got the armrest cushion and then the seats. This is glove soft leather. Oh man, that's look like a weirdo, but I love touching soft leather. Excellent shape. The back of the seat, I think that's leather as well. All the carpet, all redone. Nope, has a jack here in the compartment. How clean that is. I always struggle putting these back. There we go. And then up above, all in really nice shape. Light works. It's a nice cloth headliner. A little bit of a mark right here. That'll clean off her nut. Beautiful steering wheel. Just everywhere I look, it's very tidy in here. Very clean, tidy, fresh, very functional. These cars are serviced. He drives them, especially this one. We went to breakfast. It was a good 20 miles each way, back roads, not even a hiccup. So this is the numbers match motor. We check casting codes, dates, the VIN number. There's pictures on our website. It all lines up. Has a dual snorkel air cleaner, the right manifolds, valve covers, ignition shielding. Has the factory power brakes. Air conditioning was added, so it's a nice modern system that works real well. Reproduction hose and clamps and all the right shroud and clutch fan. All clean, proper. They only made just over 200 split windows with air. So you probably won't find one with factory air, so this one's been added. The right fuel filter and choke tube and carburetor. Everything's clean and proper. There's a Delco battery topper. You can't really see, but it's down there. Washer bottles hooked up. It has power steering as well. That's hiding down there. I forgot to verify that for you. Wiring looks new. All right, let's talk about the underside. So underneath this car is really nice too. It's detailed. Looks like an older frame off restoration. All nice clean floors, all solid frame and chassis components, all painted real nice. You look up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange. The lower ignition shielding's there. Canister type oil filter, correct starter. It has its VIN number matched T10 4-speed transmission. A correct rear end with 336 gears in it. Independent suspension, 63 was the first year for that, and it's all clean, looks like it's been rebuilt. And back it's upgraded with a fiberglass leaf spring. Has the spare tire holder with a spare in it, that's all there, so it's all clean and proper. Correct type exhaust looks fresh. The tips come out through the valance, they're polished. Brakes are working properly. Car's been serviced by us. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com if you want one of the sexiest split windows there are. And talk to the salesman. They can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your driveway and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.